Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport 4x4. This truck is lifted. It's featured in Sarge green exterior with black interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz Jeep in St. Louis, Missouri, with an original sticker price of $44,110, $14,196 in options for a grand total of $58,306. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Alan. His contact information is listed below. As far as the upgrades or the upfitted items, we have a 3.5-inch lift kit package, black Rhino Alamo wheels, 35-inch Toyo tires, off-road bumpers, both front and back, 10,000-pound winch, you saw that on the front, off-road LED lighting, custom leather interior, we'll see that in a moment. There you can see the running board or the step side on the Jeep, as well as a custom grille that looks amazing. The LED lights really pop. There you can see the 35-inch Toyo tires. This vehicle is loaded already, and then with these upfitted options, it's an amazing Jeep. We have automatic headlamps, LED daytime running lights, LED tail lamps, power heated mirrors, fuel tank skid plate, transfer case and transmission skid plates, anti-lock brakes, trailer sway dampening, hill start assist. There you can see the front bumper as well as the 10,000-pound winch. Variable intermittent windshield wipers. As we dive into the interior, there you can see the custom leather seats. The rear seat is a 60/40 split fold-down seat. We have the black running boards I already mentioned. Deep tinted sunscreen windows as we slide out of the back and into the front. Check out those custom seats. The pleated leather is really pops, as you can see. There we can see the leather wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls, the center stack. We have both upgraded screens on that. I'll show more of that in a moment. Again, the pleated leather seats. The grab bar, lockable glove box. Here we get a great look at the dash from the back seat area, a door-to-door dash shot. We have park view rear backup camera, universal garage door opener, cold weather group, which gives you the heated front seats, also the heated steering wheel. It is a soft top. There you can see part of the Alpine stereo speaker package. Remote start stop, park sense rear park assist system, push button start, Sentry key theft deterrent system. Here again is a pleated seat. Air conditioning with automatic temperature control. So there you see the Uconnect 4 with the 7-inch display, as well as right here you'll see the cluster 7-inch TFT color display. Fingertip controls, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt telescoping steering wheel, automatic headlights, one touch down, power windows, power side mirrors. There's the automatic headlight control. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's the center console. Additional power ports for the driver and the passenger. Additional LED lights, that's what that button there is for. The key fob. Center console. Those are the tools that you can use to remove your doors. Additional power ports in the center console. Your glove box with your owner's manuals. Grab bar, so when you go off-roading, your passenger has something to hold on to. There's the backup camera and with dynamic grid lines. You can see as you turn the steering wheel that the grid lines move, line you up. as well as when you put the vehicle in reverse, it alerts you of any items behind you. So here you see the climate. You can control the climate on both the touchscreen or the old school dials and knobs right below it. There you can see the heated steering wheel, heated seats. That is a 7-inch touchscreen. Push button start and stop. And as far as the cargo area is concerned, you have 12.9 cubic feet of storage space with the seats up. Fold the second row down and you have 31.7. You have a full-size spare tire. And here you can see the additional storage under the rear compartment, as well as those holes there. That's where you put your bolts for your doors. Fold down your windshield if you're going off-roading. Another great look at that 35-inch Toro tires. As far as your engine, it's a 3.6-liter 24-valve VVT e-torque engine producing 285 horsepower, 8-speed, 850 RE automatic transmission, giving you 19 city and 24 highway. Here's another great look at the winch, the grill, the bumper, off-roading bumper. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. We greatly appreciate it. Your additional tow hooks, LED lighting. Check out the LED headlights, LED bar,